Let's make an egg poacher for the microwave. Little single serve. We're going to use the dreaded calipers because we're going to make a base and then we'll make a lid for it. Basically an upside down bowl. So we're going to go a little bit wide than our normal mug. I'm going to push down and open. I'm going to take my wooden rib and I'm going to define that interior wall and push down. So it's going in the microwave, it's going to hold some heat. It's okay if it's a little bit thicker. So this is really great for beginners. If you have your walls are a little bit thicker, it's totally fine. We want the rim to be thick because that's where we're going to make the gallery. So the gallery is the space that holds the lid. So I'm going to make sure that that's smooth on the inside. Get all that water out. We'll take our rib, smooth it. I don't want that corner to be a hard edge, so I want to soften it. Hard edges that are very precise and very pointy, something that you would have maybe in a box. When it comes to food, you kind of want it a little softer. It makes it easier to clean. So I'm just going to recompress that floor. Take my wooden rib. I'm going to hold it in my hand where that angle, that sharp angle is there. My hand is going to be on the outside and my hand is going to be on the inside, and I'm just going to push straight down. I'm going to make a sharp little edge. It's fine. Gonna find one of the foot tools that we made out of a credit card. Nice little sign at the bottom. If you wanted the top too, you can have a match. Alright, so now we're going to take our calipers. So the interior space here is the same space here. So if you see my fingers kind of become the calipers, if you notice that when I come down here, it's that same shape. So we want to come in. What I like to do is look at my splash pan. It's not an exact science that this is exactly in the middle, but if I kind of look down and open it up, because I can get read it like a measurement from here, and it looks like or even even here, then it looks like my calipers are touching the wall, but it's not necessarily the most distant point from each other. You want it really right in the center. So we're going to do that. So now we know that the lid that we need to make needs to be within this. So there's two ways to make a lid. The easy way is to throw a slab and to cut it that shape. One that's a little bit more is to do a bowl and make it throw it upside down like a dome. That'll be a dome, but it's an upside down bowl. So let's move towards that. Don't forget to cut it off the mat. I gotta go find my where right here. Never seem to move. Turn the wheel off. Taut, flat to the bat, and nice quick move towards you. Because I use the really, really fine thin wire, I seem to do it twice. All right, now we'll throw the lid.